Are you struggling to sleep at night? This deep sleep hypnosis session will help you relax your body, calm your mind, and fall asleep faster. In this video, you will hear a soft and peaceful voice guiding you step by step into deep relaxation. Just lie down, close your eyes, and let your body feel safe and calm. Checkmark helps you fall asleep faster. Checkmark reduces stress and overthinking. Checkmark brings deep relaxation and peace. Checkmark perfect for nighttime listening. Pushpin best results. Use headphones and listen in a quiet room. Hello, and welcome. Right now, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to think. You don't need to worry. This is your time to rest. This is your time to relax. This is your time to sleep. Now, find a comfortable position. Lie down gently. Let your body feel safe. Let your eyes close slowly. Take a deep breath in, and breathe out, slowly. Again, breathe in, and breathe out, slowly. Very good. Now, as you breathe, I want you to notice something simple. Your body is starting to relax. Your mind is starting to calm down. And tonight, you will sleep deeply. Tonight, you will sleep peacefully. Tonight, you will feel safe and calm. Step 1. Relax your body. Now focus on your feet. Feel your feet relaxing. Feel your toes becoming soft and calm. Your feet are relaxing more and more. Your ankles are relaxing. Your legs are relaxing. Your calves are relaxing. Your knees are relaxing. Your thighs are relaxing. Your whole lower body is becoming heavy. Very heavy, and very relaxed. Now relax your stomach. Let your stomach feel soft. Let your breathing feel slow and easy. Relax your chest. Relax your heart. Your heartbeat is calm. Your breathing is calm. Now relax your hands. Relax your fingers. Relax your wrists. Relax your arms. Let your arms feel heavy. Let your arms feel warm. Let your arms feel relaxed. Now relax your shoulders. Let your shoulders drop down. Let them become soft. Relax your neck. Relax your jaw. Relax your face. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Your eyes are closed. Your eyelids feel heavy, very heavy, and your whole body is now relaxing. More and more, with every breath you take. Step 2. Calm your mind. Now, it is okay to let go. It is okay to stop thinking. It is okay to rest. If any thoughts come into your mind, that is okay. Just let them pass. Let them float away, like clouds in the sky. You don't need to fight your thoughts. You don't need to control them. Just let them go, and come back to your breathing. Breathe in, and breathe out. Slow, soft, easy. Your mind is becoming quiet. Your mind is becoming peaceful. And you are safe. You are calm. You are relaxed. Step 3. Count down into deep sleep. Now I will count down from 10 to 1. And with every number, you will feel more relaxed. You will feel more sleepy. You will go deeper and deeper into rest. 10. Relaxing deeply. 9. Feeling calm. 8. Feeling safe. 7. Letting go. 6. Becoming heavy. 5. Very relaxed now. 4. Very sleepy. 3. Almost asleep. 2. So calm. 1. Deep sleep. Deep rest. Very good. Step 4. Positive sleep suggestions. Now listen to these gentle words. And let them go deep into your mind. You are safe. You are calm. You are peaceful. Your body knows how to sleep. Your mind knows how to rest. Tonight you will sleep deeply. Tonight you will sleep easily. Tonight you will sleep peacefully. You are letting go of stress. You are letting go of worry. You are letting go of overthinking. Your breathing is slow. Your heart is calm. Your body is heavy. And sleep is coming. Softly, gently, naturally. Crescent Moon. Step 5. Sleep visualization. Now imagine you are in a quiet place. A peaceful place. Maybe you are near the ocean. You can hear soft waves. Or maybe you are in a green garden, with calm wind and fresh air. Or maybe you are in a warm room, safe and comfortable. In this place, nothing can hurt you, nothing can disturb you. You feel protected, you feel relaxed. And the more you imagine this peaceful place, the more sleepy you become. Your body is resting, your mind is resting, and you are falling asleep now. Slowly, gently, deeply. Crescent Moon ending. Let them sleep. Now you don't need to listen to every word. You can just sleep. If you hear my voice, it will only help you relax more. And if you don't hear my voice, that is perfect too, because you are sleeping deeply. Good night, sleep well, and wake up feeling fresh, calm, and happy. Good night.